A very good evening, everyone. Myself Priya is back again with the Hindu editorial analysis on 9 October 2020. So, in this editorial analysis, we are going to discuss the total vocabulary part and also I'm going to give you the brief analysis of both the articles. So, first, we will discuss the first article, that is the scissoring the DNA. Okay, the huge potential of the gene editing tool decided the chemistry Nobel. So, what now they're going to edit our genes even. The huge potential of gene editing tool decided the chemistry Nobel. Okay, they're going to give Nobel Prize for this. That scientist who pioneered the revolutionary CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing technology, the biggest game changer in biology in recent years. Yeah, it's not words. Editing gene or changing gene is very biggest task for all the scientists, biology scientists. So what they indicated is that scientists who pioneered, the meaning of pioneered is develop, introduce, evolve, start. He pioneered the design of the internet, right? A change in biology in recent years will win the Nobel Prize was never in doubt. It was only a question of when and who would get recognized for the work done to develop the tool. The prize awarded to Emmanuel Charpentier and Jennifer A. Doudna just 8 years after they developed the tool has finally ended the speculation of who would win it. But most importantly, this year's prize for chemistry has created history by honoring an all-woman team. So, but this year's is that they're going to honor every woman team for doing this. It all started when Dr. Charpentier discovered an RNA molecule that is part of bacteria's ancient immune system, CRISPR-Cas, wherein clustered repeated sequences produced by bacteria can remember and destroy viruses by cleaving the DNA. Okay, what is my cluster? Cluster is nothing but bunch, collection, mass, group. Have a look at the cluster of the galaxies in this photograph. Or the meaning of cleaving is split, divide, bisect. Okay, these are the synonyms of cleaving. Okay, so our next one is teaming with Dr. Doudna, she recreated the bacteria's genetic scissors in a test tube and simplified the tool to make it easier to program the system to precisely cut specific sites of interest in any DNA, including humans. While the tool is most often used to make a cut in the DNA, new approaches are being attempted to add or make minor changes to the DNA. All these approaches may at some time in the future make it easy to rewrite the code of life. Okay, all these recent searches are going to be easy to rewrite the code of the life. Okay, the gene editing technology has opened up a vast window of opportunity. So this editing technology is going to open up a vast editing technology, like a vast window of opportunity. We are going to get good opportunities by this gene editing technology. In the last 6 years, the tool has enabled scientists to edit human DNA in a dish, and early stage clinical trials are being adapted to use the tool to treat a few diseases, including inherited disorders and some types of cancer. So this one, like inherited disorders and the diseases like cancer, this one is helping us a lot. Okay, because cancer nowadays is, you can't even say it with your own mouth. It is at a very increasing rate. Cancer is spreading. You can't say it's spreading. Most of the people are suffering with cancer nowadays. Though in 2016, China began the first human clinical trial to treat an aggressive form of lung cancer by introducing cells that contain genes editing using CRISPR-Cas9. The use of the tool has so far been limited to cure genetic diseases in animal models. What this tool has helped to eradicate the genetic diseases in animal models. Last year, a Chinese researcher used the tool to modify a particular gene in the embryo to make babies immune to HIV infection. So, what a scientist had created one thing that will make the babies immune from the HIV disease, which led to the international furor. What is the furor? Outbreak of public anger, uproar, outrage. There is a lot of furor over his latest film. Though no guidelines have been drawn up so far, there is a general consensus in the scientific and ethics communities that the gene editing technique should not be used clinically on embryos. Unlike in the case of humans, the tool is being extensively used in agriculture. It is being tried out in agriculture primarily to increase plant yield, quality, disease resistance, herbicide resistance, and domestication of wild species. The huge potential to edit genes using the tool has been used to create a large number of crop varieties with improved agronomic performance. It has also brought in sweeping changes to breeding technologies. The gene editing tool has indeed taken life sciences into a new epoch. Okay, like this gene editing tool has taken science into a new era. Okay, like it has helped for immuning HIV, it has helped in some cancer diseases. Like, yeah, just if we research further, you get still very good results of doing the CASIR, CRISPR, CAS9. Okay, this was all about your first editorial, that is first article of today's editorial, that is scissoring the DNA, and I thank every one of you for watching this video. Thank you very much.